Hello everybody, this is a quick overview video of the Musketeer blaster progress. In case you missed it, this is a foam blaster shaped and modeled after a old-timey flintlock rifle. You prime it by using this ramrod, which goes along the entire bottom of the blaster in storage, but you take that out and you shove it down the barrel, and then you directly push on this plunger back there. If I get in... Oh, that's not right. If I get a cross section, you can see, like this, that the plunger goes back. It's connected to that plunger rod. Plunger goes back, catches there, then you pull out the ramrod, push a dart down the barrel, and then fire the blaster. This trigger just pulls down the catch, and then bloop. There you go, you got your dart. This has been both a quite fun modeling exercise and a massive pain in the ass when I'm trying to design this curved section, all of this stuff. Fusion 360 did not like modeling all of those curved bits extending off the side of the stock, but got there in the end. Works mostly fine. So this blaster is getting pretty close to first prototype. Not expecting too many issues in the first prototype, so yeah. Sometime in the next few months, I'm going to print this all out and assemble it and see if it works good. Yeah, quite happy with where this is at this point. Printability is going to be relatively good, relatively few supports. The stock should be comfortable and durable. Yeah. Quite happy with the setup. So, yeah, not much else to say. Musketeer is going well. All right, bye-bye.